This is an unboxing of the SoundPEATS T2 True Wireless Earbuds with 25 hours of playback time, hybrid active noise cancellation, and 12mm droppers. So, without further ado, let's get inside the box. Let's get that up out of here. Let's see how we're going to open it. Slide it out or slide in. Okay, do it that way. Okay, we got a child-proof box. You gotta be kidding me. How do you open this? Oh my goodness. Hold on a minute. Are you for real? Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Whew. Alright, okay. Now we're inside the box. Okay, here's a charging case. Let's see what else is in the box. We got our instruction manual. Okay, I'll take a look at that later. And we have cornstarch pouch with earbuds, extra tips. Let's see. Yeah, we got small, large, so medium is already on here. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Alright, let's look at the buds. Ooh! I like the way these look. Okay. Yeah, these are nice. Okay. Pretty small. Let me compare this charging case with the True Engine 3 SE. Let's see. Ooh, smaller. I like that. Okay. True Engine's got battery indicators on the inside, and the T2's got battery indicators on the outside. Not bad. You can get these buds on Amazon for $69.98, but if you use the coupon, you can get 10% off, so it's like $50, $51. That's a pretty good deal for hybrid active noise cancellation earbuds. I'm going to have to do some testing on these with the controls, the sound quality, the fit. Let me also show you another size comparison. These are the Jabra 75Ts. They're about the same size. That's crazy. I'm really becoming a fan of SoundPEATS. I mean, you can't beat this price. I mean, $50 and you're getting hybrid active noise cancellation earbuds with transparency mode and touch controls. Full review is coming soon. Thanks for watching.